We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT voice chat. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already signed in, click on the login button and enter your credentials. Now, once logged in, look for the voice chat feature. It's usually indicated by a microphone icon or a similar symbol on the ChatGPT interface. Click on it to start setting up the voice chat. You'll need to allow microphone permissions. So when prompted, click allow to give ChatGPT access to your microphone. This is important for enabling the voice chat functionality. Next, you'll see options to choose your preferred language and voice settings. Take a moment to select the language you want to use for the chat and adjust the voice settings to your liking. You might find different voices or accents available depending on the version you're using. Once you've set that up, you can start interacting with ChatGPT by speaking naturally into your microphone. You'll see the text of what you're saying appear on the screen, and ChatGPT will respond using the voice you selected. If you want to stop or pause a voice chat, look for a pause or stop button, usually depicted by a pause icon or a red button, and click on it. That's it. You're all set to enjoy the voice chat experience with ChatGPT. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.